Good morning, student. Yesterday already we started the properties of acid. Let us continue with the next property of acid, that is acid reacts with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates to form carbon dioxide gas. When the metal carbonate reacts with acid, salt, it gives salt, carbon dioxide and water. Same thing, metal hydrogen carbonate when reacts with acid or acid is treated with metal hydrogen carbonate, it gives salt, carbon dioxide and H2O. One thing I will tell you, this is hydrogen carbonate is also known as sodium bicarbonate. At the place of the metal, you added sodium. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also known as sodium bicarbonate. This is the RUPAC name as per the chemistry. As per the chemistry, it is the IUPAC name of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate and sodium bicarbonate are the same thing. This is the organic compound and metal carbonate, this is the inorganic compound. Now let us see the reaction of when the metal carbonate it reacts with acid. जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को कल बताया था कि रिएक्शंस किस तरीके से लिखते हैं, वहाँ पे वो सॉलिड फॉर्म में है, लिक्विड में है या फिर गैसेस फॉर्म में है, ये आपको वहाँ पे मेंशन करना है। साथ ही साथ उसका जो केमिकल इक्वेशन होगा उसके नीचे you have to write its name also. Okay, let us see one Na2CO3. This is in solid form, it is sodium carbonate. Okay, it reacts with HCl, that is dilute hydrochloric acid. It gives, when they react, it gives NaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. Now it's in aqueous form because we diluted this hydrochloric. This we get it in the aqueous form, this is in gaseous form and this is in liquid form. Okay, this is sodium chloride. Now listen one thing very carefully. Here are the number of molecules. How many number of molecules are sodium of here? 2. You will see that this place also I wrote it 2. Chlorine. Chlorine is 2. 2 chlorines are here. 2 hydrogens. 2 hydrogens are here. From CO3, 3 oxygens are here. We take out 2, that is CO2. What is remaining? 1 oxygen which goes and combined with the hydrogen and they form the water molecule. This we called as a balance reaction. Have you understood how the balance reaction is there? Okay. Come again. Sodium carbonate when reacts with hydrochloric acid, it gives sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Same thing with sodium hydrogen carbonate. The formula is NaHCO3. This is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Write down it in bracket. Mention the solid plus HCl. It gives NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. Now, in this reaction, there is no need to write down the molecule 2. The number 2, it is not necessary to write down because while reacting these two, already the reaction is balanced. See here, sodium is 1 molecule is there, chlorine is 1, chlorine is here, then CO3, CO2 is there. What is remaining? Hydrogen. One hydrogen, second hydrogen and one oxygen combines and they form the water. So in this reaction also you studied that sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate when reacts with acid, they gives sodium chloride, it means salt, carbon dioxide and H2O, that is water. How you will confirm that carbon dioxide gas is liberated? It's liberated. It gives the brisk effervescence. जैसे ही हम लोग जैसे सोडा पीते हैं और वो बॉटल खोलते हैं तो एक तेजी से हमें स्मेल आती है, तेज बिल्कुल, तो वो क्या होती है, बिल्कुल तेजी से जो हमें गैस फील होती है, दैट इज. Now I will teach you one simple test also to identify whether the particular gas is CO2 or no. That I will teach you after 2 minutes.